Foulk. I got a 2012 Dodge Ram 2500. I did the DPS S475 over the VGT kit, add a turbo. It's been a great kit. I love it. On the bottom for a VGT, I had to upgrade that to the 63, 67. And then I lost the cylinder one last Halloween, and I decided to fully build the truck. And I kept the VGT because I didn't want to get rid of it. And I have lots of stories on how well this thing tows because of the added turbo kit. On the way here, we raced a Harley Davidson who wasn't expecting the truck pulling the camper to keep up with him.
We were driving down here, following behind Mike here with his truck.
My name's Brandon Afalter. I was in the truck with Mike.
And we were driving down, and Mike had a Harley at a red light next to him, and they both took off, and I went over to CB. I'm like, really? You're doing that? And they took off, and I couldn't believe it that he stayed right up with that Harley, you know, through the lights until the end when a coolant hose popped off.
I said, no big deal. It's only coolant.
Yeah, he still kept with a loaded camper, you know, ran with that Harley.
No big deal. Nothing to worry about. Easy fix.
You know, it's instant spool. It stays in boost all the time. I also got stories of being way overloaded. It's been 54,000 pounds off the back, hitting the on-ramp still at 70 miles an hour without even effortlessly, without getting after it. It's also only got a 60 horse tow tune. It's got a D&J Stage 1 performance head. It's got 150% over injectors, a 12 mil stroker, Extra G CP3, and it's bored 20 over. Got fly cut pistons, Hamilton cam, Waggler rods. The only stock component is the block at this point. We put it on the dyno yesterday down here at the Scheid Diesel Extravaganza. On the first run in fourth gear, she put down 738 horse. And then on the second run in fifth gear, we put down 778 and 1,386 foot-pounds of torque. And this has been the best one so far on the shittiest tuning, and it just works beautifully. When we were pulling up to the dyno and I told them what the turbos were, they're like guessing where the power range would be, and then they couldn't believe how easily it spooled and didn't struggle at all. It starts spooling around 1500 RPM and just stays all the way up to 45, 35, wherever I let off. It stays in power the whole time. They were amazed by that, on how smoothly and effortlessly it spooled and went through their load cell, everything. So.
$778.